Position of hydrogen in periodic table. Hydrogen is located in the periodic table in group 1, period 1. It is the first element in the periodic table and has an atomic number of 1. Although it is placed in group 1 with the alkali metals, hydrogen does not possess typical metallic characteristics. Its placement in group 1 is due to its electronic configuration, as it has one electron in its outermost shell, similar to the alkali metals. However, hydrogen is unique in its properties and exhibits both non-metallic and metallic characteristics, making it distinct from the other elements in group 1. Similarities between hydrogen and alkali metals. Hydrogen and alkali metals share some similarities in their properties and chemical behavior. Here are the points highlighting their similarities. Electronic configuration. Both hydrogen and alkali metals have one valence electron in their outermost shell, making them highly reactive. Reactivity. Hydrogen and alkali metals are highly reactive and readily form compounds with other elements. Formation of salts. Hydrogen and alkali metals can both form salts when they react with halogens or other non-metals. For example, sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride while hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride. Similarities between hydrogen and halogens. Hydrogen and halogens share some similarities in their properties and chemical behavior. Here are the points highlighting their similarities. Electronic configuration. Hydrogen and halogens both require one additional electron to achieve a stable electronic configuration. Reactivity. Both hydrogen and halogens are highly reactive and tend to form compounds with other elements. Electronegativity. Both hydrogen and halogens have relatively high electronegativity values, indicating their ability to attract electrons in a chemical bond. Properties of hydrogen that distinguish from alkali metals and halogens. Hydrogen possesses several properties that set it apart from alkali metals and halogens. State of matter. Hydrogen exists as a gas at room temperature, while alkali metals are solid and halogens are typically gases or solids. Metallic behavior. While alkali metals exhibit typical metallic behavior, hydrogen behaves as a non-metal. It lacks the characteristic luster malleability and ductility of metals.